So Sunday, January 19th, it is the end of the day and Dad is about to do a little welding here. And he has got the boys working on the various tasks here. We got to wait for Peter to show up. And Coop is on sanding down the dashboard here before I guess they put on the new paint. And Dad is working on that inside floor panel, and he's got the exhaust pipes out here as well. Peter must have dropped that off before he took off.
He brought me 2 pipes for the same size.
Yeah.
And these pipes don't fit the manifolds.
Okay.
So I had spare manifolds. We're just cleaning them up, but the right manifolds on to fit
Okay.
the exhaust pipes.
Okay. So the spare manifolds, I guess, are these ones here, or these are the old ones. And you got the young fellow over here cleaning up one manifold, one side. These are the old ones or the new ones?
These are the best ones that you can get.
Okay.
But
No fit.
they don't fit.
Okay.
This is bigger here than the opening here.
Okay.
So I had to go to the other manifolds. Because
Okay.
we don't have exhaust pipes like this.
Okay. So that's what they got going on here. Now, Peter, we got snowed out here. It's like a balmy minus 29 C here today. And we had a whole pile of snow the other day. And so Peter only took off, I think, yesterday. And he's gone to buy various accoutrements for the engine and transmission and whatnot. And but they do have the engine already installed. Lots of room in there right now, but we're gonna need some wiring panels and the gas tanks and a few other things. I think we also have to get the gauges into stock as well. But as you can see, they got everything closed up underneath there for the blower motor heater, and that's going to be that was already tested there a week or two ago. And so these guys are busy in the shop doing this, and Dad's got a young fella here that doesn't mind being yelled at. And so we still have the doors out lying around here, but given what their movement in the shop here, clearly Dad's working on them. The one door here has obviously been taped off, ready for painting and sanding, and these ones have been taped for painting and sanding as well. And yes, I'm feeling very confident in Dad's abilities to get everything up and running here. I would say, if we're lucky, Peter will get use out of this machine by middle of February, maybe end of February. It's hard to tell at this stage here. Sometimes the small little stuff takes a month and a half. I want to say a shout out to all of Dad's new subscribers. As of today, it's 1,462 subscribers. By the time you see this video, it may be more. I want to make special mention of one of the guys that does comments on just about every single video. That's Louis Batista. And so hi there, Louis. And he's usually the first guy to comment, actually, as well. So again, snow 1975 wide gauge. The tracks are on, all the wheels are on. We got 2 flat tires on the front that we got to find tubes for. And things are coming along. It is a Sunday at the shop and busy. Dogs just came in here for treats, but minus 29, they are outside playing. Except for Nina Pinta Santa Maria. Hey, putz. So Dad is just doing some painting here. That's that inside floor panel. Just the priming. So we're going to let him continue on with that. Well, end of the day here, we've got Filipino Emily in the shop, and Dad is having his final end of day wet. Guess they're working on the manifolds here, and Dad got his last of his painting done, or priming done, for this inside panel, and I think they're going to be starting working on the doors here soon. They're going to have to, because there's a lot of work to be done before Peter shows up again. And yeah, another last look at the inside here, what they've gotten done there. So exhaust pipes don't fit the manifolds, but Dad had spare manifolds.